This tutorial will demonstrate how to do offline analysis with EasyRatio Pro. When running an experiment, it's important to maintain all of your data into a common theme and try to use that for multiple users. The common theme we'll use that's most effective for transfer to an offline machine is whenever you create an experiment, you should create a folder for the day's experiments and store all of the data into that folder. So in this case, we will create a folder called Experiment 1 on the H drive. This is the path for the image data, and we'll also want to store the experiment file or the session file into the same directory as well. Doing this will make it simple to back up this file at the end of the day. So let's record a small short sequence. We'll draw a region of interest and we'll collect a few seconds worth of data. Now that we have this experiment finished, we'll save it and we'll go to the setups file and look at the disk allocation, and you can see the sequence file with the date and the time was created in this folder on H drive. So now that we're finished this, we'll close the session, quit EasyRatio Pro, and then what we'll do is transport this data to another drive, or another computer for that matter. So you can see here, Experiment 1, we're going to copy this data, and I'm going to move it onto the RAID. So we'll paste the data here. And then we'll go back and delete the original data off the drive. Now you can see the data has been moved and it's in this folder on the new hard drive. So what we'll do next is launch EasyRatio Pro, and let's say this is a different computer that you'll be doing an offline analysis on. We'll then locate the session file by navigating to the new drive, and we'll open the session file. The first thing you'll notice is that the session file is looking on drive H. This is because drive H was the path that was stored with the session file. Since we've moved it to a different drive, it can no longer find the sequences. So we have to tell EasyRatio Pro where the sequences are located. So we'll say yes, and then we'll choose the folder Experiment 1 and say open. Now notice it has found the data and we're ready to do an offline analysis. By saving the session, you will now save the new path, which is drive G. Next time, this one will be easily opened. So you're ready to do your offline analysis now. That's all there is to relocating and remapping the session media file on a new computer system. Thanks for your attention.